Our cities are louder than ever before. Streets buzz with traffic, construction sites clatter, and cafes echo with chatter. But beyond the obvious, there's a hidden problem brewing: noise pollution. While we often discuss air and water pollution, noise pollution is a silent assailant affecting millions. Noise pollution is more than just an inconvenience, it's a serious threat to our health. Research shows that chronic exposure to high noise levels can lead to stress, heart disease, and even cognitive impairments. Imagine living near an airport or a busy highway. The constant sound can seriously impact sleep quality. In urban areas, noise pollution is often unavoidable. The sheer density of people and activities compounds the problem. Older adults, children, and those with health conditions are particularly vulnerable. Noise pollution isn't just limited to human activity, even wildlife suffers. Animals rely on sound for survival, and constant noise disrupts their natural behaviors. We need to understand that noise pollution is a multifaceted problem, intertwining with various aspects of urban life and health. But how did we get here? Why are our urban areas so noisy? One reason is the rapid pace of urbanization. Cities have evolved faster than our ability to manage their noise. Industrial activities, transportation, and social lifestyles all contribute to the escalating noise levels. Another contributing factor is the lack of effective noise regulations and urban planning. The good news is that awareness about noise pollution is growing. Communities are beginning to demand quieter spaces and stricter noise ordinances. Now, let's explore some unconventional yet impactful solutions. Soundproofing technology is advancing, from double-glazed windows to anti-vibration materials. Greening our cities can also help. Trees and green spaces naturally absorb and deflect noise. Urban planners are experimenting with quiet spaces, areas designed to minimize noise. One intriguing concept is the creation of soundscapes, carefully curated auditory environments that promote tranquility. Imagine walking through a park where the hum of traffic fades away, replaced by the gentle rustle of leaves and birdsong. On a personal level, simple changes like using noise-canceling headphones or white noise machines can make a difference. Mindfulness and meditation practices can also help us cultivate inner silence, regardless of external noise. By pursuing moments of quiet in a noisy world, we can improve our mental clarity and emotional resilience. Embracing silence isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity for our overall well-being. Together, as a society, we must prioritize creating quieter, healthier environments. Let's strive for a harmonious balance between our vibrant urban lives and the serenity we all need. By addressing noise pollution, we take a step closer to a healthier, more peaceful future. Remember, the power to transform our cities lies in our hands. Let's make them quieter, one step at a time.